Hey guys, Scrappy Queso here. I wanted to show you this card that I made while I'm sitting at home. This is a little bit out of my area. I forget what you call it. A little bit out of the box, or a little bit out of my box, I don't know. This is a build a scene card done with dies from X-Cut. Here is the die. Oops, let me see if I can go back some. Hang on a second. Ooh. Oh, I guess all you saw was hand, huh? I think that's as far as I can go, but anyway, this is the die. It's in a pretty big package. They've got several different ones, and this is the one that I did. These are some other ones. You can't really see them that good, but it shows you how to do it. Like, there's the picture of the finished one there, so it doesn't tell you how to do it. You just have to figure it out yourself, but from the picture you can get it. So it's got the 4 different dies here, the bigger dies, and then they've got these little bitty, a dog, a bird, and some other flying birds, and then it looks like a clothesline or something. It took me a while to get these cut out, only because I tried to do it exactly like the picture, but the greens that they had, they looked good, and I didn't have exactly some greens that I liked that would go good, like ombre look, you know, per layer. And then I got to where I would cut the dye into the wrong color, and I did that twice. So I looked around for some more greens, and I found some paper that had different colors on each side. So like it's had, this one has the lighter color on this side, and on the back it has a little bit darker color. And then here's the other one. I didn't use this one because the colors that I used, it didn't really, to me it didn't go, but anyway, that's the way it was. So when I cut it, I could use one sheet twice, and then the other color, which is this back color here, I used, no, actually it's this top color, I used from something I had in my stash. These just came from, I think it was a DCWV. This has got texture on it. One side has texture, and the other one has a texture, but it's a different kind of texture. So, I don't know. It's weird. But anyway, I mean, it's taken me forever to do this, because I know sometimes when you're trying things, you mess up, which I did my share of messing up before I got it this way, but once I got the colors right, and I got the number 1, 2, 3, 4 in order right, I just put the tape, or the tape on it with the, oh my gosh, it's not even late and my brain's not working. Anyway, you see what I'm talking about in here. But these are the ones that are a little bit thicker than the Stampin' Up ones that I usually use. The Stampin' Up ones are smaller, which I like because it's not that big of a height on it. But these, I wanted bigger height than I think it looked that way in the picture too, so that you could actually tell. Oops, darn. You can actually tell in here, you know, that there's some dimension. And it had a little doggy, and I don't know what to do about his foot. I was just going to glue him down on here, but then I wanted to do dimension like I did everything else. But now his little foot keeps, every time I touch it, it keeps getting out of whack, and I don't know what to do with it. I think I may just glue it down like that. Yeah, I think I may do that. That's what I did with, see these trees right here? This back layer is flat on this white card, but the trees I popped up so I could give dimension to the tree, but not have to pop up this last layer onto the white card because it was already thick enough. So anyway, I wanted to get I didn't want to get too much dimension on there. And then this is the white backing for the card, which I don't know if I'd ever send this to anybody. I mean, it's so thick. I may want to keep this one for myself. I don't know. Just hoard it, I guess. If I try this again, which I'm sure I will, but not anytime soon, I may try them in different colors so that maybe this one I could put like the yellow behind the windows and just make it more colorful, you know. But, and see around here it's all plain. I didn't really know what to do about that either, but I don't know. I think it looks okay for what it is. You know, let me show you the picture again. Oops, let me see. It's at an angle on the thing too, so it's hard to kind of see. And I don't know if you can really see because of the lighting. But, and their colors are a little bit darker than mine, but anyway, I think it came out okay. What y'all think? Let me know what you think. And while you're letting me know what you think, I thought I'd do a little hidden giveaway. Just let me know that you want to be entered. Leave a comment down below. And be a subscriber if you don't mind. I would appreciate that. And I don't even know what prize I want to give you. I just sort of that just sort of flew out of my mouth. So let me know what you think, and we'll talk to you guys later. Thanks, guys. Bye.